Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite and on Epic Games in general. It's really easy and it shouldn't take you a lot of time, so let's get right into it. The first thing that I want to talk to you about is the rewards that you get if you enable two-factor authentication. As you can see right here, you get some Fortnite rewards like 50 armory slots, 10 backpack slots, 1 legendary troll stash llama. This you receive only by doing the two-factor authentication. So in addition to the extra security that you get, you also get some gifts. But in order to actually activate that two-factor authentication, we need to go on epicgames.com/account. And once you're on the account page on Epic Games, what you need to do is go to password and security. And once you are here, you just want to scroll down. You can see right here two-factor authentication, and you can enable either authenticator app. Use an authenticator app as your two-factor authentication. When you sign in, you'll be required to use the security code by your authenticator app. SMS authenticator, use your phone as two-factor authentication. When you sign in, you'll be required to use the security code we send you via SMS or email, which will be just like SMS but email. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. Now you can just let's say select one of them which is more convenient to you. As you can see right here, I can enable it by mail, SMS, or the app. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now you have two-factor authentication. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope it was easy enough for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video, guys.